So today in class, we talked about you practicing the elimination method a little bit more. And so that's what we want to get through today. So what we talked about is finding terms that make the equation a little bit more easy to find than really just kind of doing anything. So we see here, we don't have any terms that can cancel out right away. So what we're going to do is instead, we're going to multiply this piece by positive 2 because I see that here is 2y and that's negative y. So if I just multiply this whole thing by 2, these two will be able to cancel it easily. So my 2 goes to here, here, and here. So I would get 6x minus 2y equals 4. So now what I want to do is I see that these two cancel. Sorry, let me get myself out of the way here. Those two cancel, and then I'm going to add downwards in order to get there. So I see x plus 6x is 7x. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So I'm going to divide by 7, x equals 1. Now I can take this equation, substitute in either one of these two. I think this second equation is a lot easier to look at because I don't have to multiply anything. So I'm going to do x plus 2y equals 3. Well, x is 1 plus 2y equals 3. And then subtract my 1, subtract 1. 2y is equal to 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Y equals 1. So we see that both of those equations are right there. So in case you didn't like that one, and maybe you saw it a different way, so instead let's try to cancel out these x's first. Doesn't matter which one you want to cancel first, but this time I see that's 3 times as big. So I want to make it 3. But I know I need to cancel it out, so I want to put a negative. So then I want to get rewritten as negative 3x minus 6y equals negative 9. These cancel. Well, we don't have to worry about that equation anymore. Then negative y, so that's going to get just negative 7y equals 2 plus negative 9 is going to be negative 7. Divided by negative 7, divided by negative 7, y equals 1. Same thing as what we saw before. So now I'm going to substitute this question in. I'm going to substitute in here because I think it's a lot easier. So I'm going to do 3x minus y equals 2. I'm going to substitute my 1 in. So it'll be 3x minus 1 equals 2. 3x equals 3 because I added this 1. And then x equals 1 because I divided by 3, divide by 3. Right? There we go. So just wanted to kind of sum it all up. We do see something that cancels out similarly. So I see right away those cancel. So then I need to add down. So I would 6x equals 36. Divided by 6, divided by 6. X equals 6. Take this, substitute it in top. So 2 times 6 minus 3y equals 12. 12 minus 3y equals 12. I'm going to subtract 12. Subtract 12. Negative 3y equals 0. So y equals 0. We are all done. Snap, crackle, and pop. And